LeakTronics now offers the Deluxe pipe camera and locator with 100 feet of flexible yet firm push cable and a camera head that will navigate 6 90-degree turns in 1.5-inch pipes with ease. The camera head includes a 512 Hz sonde transmitter that can be detected underground to upwards of 10 feet and is easy to locate using the 512 Hz receiver from LeakTronics. The 100-foot cable sits on a reel inside the rugged waterproof case and spins without resistance, and the reel can pop out of the case for ultimate control. The case has a built-in 7-inch crystal clear monitor, and the camera head features 6 adjustable LED lights to enhance visibility inside pipes. Go where other cameras can't go and see breaks, separations, and leaks from inside pipes and know where repairs need to be made with the precision accuracy of the onboard sonde transmitter. It's the camera professionals have been waiting for, and it's available now at www.LeakTronics.com. Order yours today.